My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master, and this time around I want to take you straight so that we can read something that is good. And I know you've been waiting to hear this from me. Guess what? No one else can tell you that. So the only thing you should do, just press right now on the red button that is subscribe, because I'm still new here, but I'm going to make sure that you learn everything concerning with the hairstyle, and I'm going to be showing you how you can protect your hair so that it can be like I'm trying to grow mine and it's growing. So I'm going to just give you all those tips, but before, let me take you straight on showing you how you can do the extended dreadlocks. So now, first of all, I'm going to be showing you the things that I use to do the extended dreadlocks. Number one, I'll be using this. You can see how it looks. Hope you're seeing how it looks. This is Darling. It is Afro Kinky, and I'm going to be showing you how you can use this. This is how you can remove, and it comes looking like this. You see how it looks? This is how it looks. So I'm going to take you straight one by one so that you can see what I do to get all that. This is what I get from the pack. And when it is like this, the only thing you do, you just have to make sure you make it soft. And making soft, it's very, very simple. So this is how you can do it. Let's try to be quick here because I want to make sure that you guys learn something from this. So as you're seeing, these are the things that I'll be using to do those extended braids that you see are very, very, very nice. And I try to make sure that it's very, very soft. This is how it looks. You see how it looks, and you make sure that you measure it this way. Wow, I know you're trying to get what I'm using, and sometimes people keep on asking what do I use when I'm hooking the dreadlocks. So others are going to call it a crochet, but me, I call it a hook, and it's right here. This is my hook that I always use when it comes to dreads. You see how it looks? You can see how it looks? Yeah, this is how it looks. And now I use these for the locking. So what I know about this one, it has good numbers. So there's number 0, number 2, up to number 13 to 14. So but sometimes we don't use these other ones because when I'm plaiting the dreadlocks, I start from root. So I use number 2 and number 4. You're right. Then you know why I use number 2? Number 2 help me when the hair is it has got a lot of volume. When the hair has a big volume, that's when I use number 2. Yeah, when I'm locking, because now when you're trying to use that number 2, because you try to be seeing it from here, the numbers are here. Help me a lot when it comes to locking. And sometimes if you want to lock all those things, try it right now. Go and get when you have soft hair, that would be like fine hair. When you have it and you try to use number 2, trust me, it's not gonna work. It will hurt. It is, it's the number is according to when the number is now this one is number 6, you see. So the more the numbers go down, the bigger this hook becomes. You can see how it looks. You can see the more it goes down, the bigger it becomes. So I think you should try to be using number and above when you're locking this soft hair. And when it comes to the hair that has got a lot of volume, that's when you're going to use these bigger ones. So one thing you should not forget, you just have to click on that red button to subscribe, because we have to learn a lot of things. So this time around, these are the extended braids that I always do, and it is amazing. It's amazing. You can try to check it out, and trust me, you will love it. So I'll be here teaching you how you can do it. And so far we have seen the hair, the one we're supposed to use. And another thing, someone is going to ask himself or herself, like, how am I very neat? You know what? First of all, you need to know how to arrange them. So that is the first thing that I always do. I first arrange them very, very well so that it gives the good results. When they're arranged very nicely, it's going to give you that good result. So make sure that you arrange your dreads very well so that since it's something that is going to stay for long, you understand? So it needs to be arranged well, because you don't want to see somebody else passing around you and the dreads are very neat. There you go, now feel jealousy. So that's why you should make sure that you arrange them very well. Exceed like 3 months accordingly, because there are those people like some people have got a lot of hair and it always grows fast. So now those ones I can give you like 1.5 to 2 months at least. You try to do repair, because when you leave it grow very long, that also is going to be a problem. So please try to make sure that you make it grow, you repair it accordingly. At least when you see it's 1 inch, please go and repair. But you find sometimes like you find someone has got a lot of growth and even you cannot see the line. So that is very, very dangerous. It may lead for your hair to break. So something else, I know some people keep on asking how to unlock the dreadlocks. Yes, extended dreadlocks can be unlocked, and trust me, you can unlock and you can unlock and you stay with your hair protected. So that one, if you want to prove me wrong, trust me, I'm gonna prove you. I'll be showing you how you can unlock these dreadlocks and your hair remains the same. So this was something about the extended dreadlocks, and the only thing you can do, please don't skip. Try to subscribe, because I'm gonna get back to you. I'm gonna be showing you all the best I can about hairstyle that can protect your hair. So see you in my next video, and try just know. My name is Maurice. This is Hair by Clippers. Bye bye.